Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our EVS online class and we have started with our revisions this week. Okay, so today is the revision number 1 of lesson 7, that is Home Sweet Home. Okay, and I hope that you all have completed your last revision work which I gave you of chapter number 11, that was travel time. Now remember children, again and again I am telling you in every revision video that you have to prepare a new revision copy for all your revision work. Okay, one revision copy to be maintained by you all, and in that revision copy you will do all English language, English literature and EVS revisions. Okay, now coming to the video. Today I am going to give you revision work in revision 1, in which first part is missing letters. Okay, and I hope you all remember chapter number 7. It was all about home sweet home, that how a house is made. Okay, and how many people are required to prepare a house. Okay, so all this is you have learnt in this chapter. Now coming to missing letters, first missing letter is H-O-M-E, home. So in this revision video I will explain you all the revision work with answers, but with this video I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment answers will not be written. You have to write it on your own. Okay, it is like a test for you all. So first one is home, H-O-M-E, home. Home you all know, a place where you all live in. Okay, जो हमारे रहने की जगह, घर को हम home बोलते हैं. Now second is temporary, T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y. temporary means जो कभी भी टूट सकता है. temporary house. Okay, like temporary house का example क्या था? Huts. Okay, and tents. These were all your examples for temporary houses. Now the third word is windows, W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. You all know what are windows? खिड़कियाँ. Now number fourth is house boat, H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T, boat. House boat, it is a kind of a boat in which it is on travel on, it always travels on water. It is in water, and it is a boat in which a proper house is made. Okay, now the fifth word is igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Igloo is a kind of house which is made of ice, and it is in the areas which are very cold. Okay, cold areas have igloos. Now the sixth word is architect, A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. Now children, remember how I am pronouncing this word architect. CH here is silent. Okay, CH will not be pronounced as ch, it will be pronounced as k. Okay, the sound of CH will be k. So architect, you will not pronounce it as architect. Okay, this is the wrong pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is architect. Now seventh word is carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter is a person who does all the woodwork in your houses. Okay, now the eighth word is mason, M-A-S-O-N, mason. Mason is a person who builds the house. Okay, जो आपके घर में ईंटें लगाने का काम और ये सारा काम करता है. Okay, so this is all in the missing letters. Now coming to the second part, that is tick the correct answers. Now in this tick the correct answers, there are only 3 questions. Okay, so listen to it very carefully children, because in this I am explaining this to you with answers, but in your assignment answers will not be written. So the first question is, which one is a temporary house? कौन सा house temporary है इन तीनों options में से? First option is hut, second is flat, third is bungalow. So which is the temporary house? Hut. Okay, now coming to the second, that is very tall buildings are called dash. टॉल बिल्डिंग्स जो होते हैं, जो ऊंची बिल्डिंग्स होते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैंशंस, पैलेसेस और स्काई स्क्रेपर्स. द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज स्काई स्क्रेपर्स. स्काई स्क्रेपर्स मीन्स जो आसमान को छूने वाले बिल्डिंग्स होते हैं, बहुत टॉल बिल्डिंग्स होते हैं. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, इन हिली एरियाज हाउसेज हैव डैश रूफ्स. हिली एरियाज में जो घर होते हैं उनकी रूफ्स कैसी होती हैं? आर दे फ्लैट, स्लोपिंग और सर्कुलर? फ्लैट मीन्स बिल्कुल प्लेन, स्लोपिंग मीन्स ढलान वाले, या सर्कुलर मीन्स इन द शेप ऑफ अ सर्कल. सो विच टाइप ऑफ roofs in hilly areas houses have? Sloping. Correct answer is sloping. And why do they have sloping roofs? Because in hilly areas a lot of rain comes and lot of snowfall is also there. So स्नोफॉल और स्नो को उसके ऊपर नहीं जमे और पानी भी वहाँ पे नहीं रुके, इसलिए स्लोपिंग रूफ्स बनते हैं वहाँ पे, जिससे कि वो उससे बह जाए. नाउ कमिंग टू द third part, that is name the following. Now in this, children, you have to give names for the following. Okay, here the questions are written and you have to read them and you have to answer. You have to give the names. Now the first one is, it floats on water. Water पे क्या चीज़ float करता है? क्या चीज़ ऊपर ही ऊपर उसमें float करता है? That is house boat. कौन सा हाउस फ्लोट करता है? दैट इज हाउस बोट. ओके, HOUSE हाउस, BOAT हाउस बोट. सेकेंड इज, इट मूव्स ऑन व्हील्स. व्हील्स पे, पहियों पे चलने वाला कौन सा घर होता है? दैट इज कैरावैन, CARAVAN, कैरावैन. थर्ड इज, इट इज ईजी टू फोल्ड. कौन सा घर ऐसा होता है जिसको हम कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं और उसको फोल्ड कर सकते हैं? दैट इज टेंट, TENT, टेंट. Now the fourth one is, last is, it is made of ice blocks. Ice block से कौन सा घर बना होता है? That is igloo, IGLOO, igloo. And igloo is found in the areas which are very cold. Okay, cold areas में, hilly areas में igloo बनता है. Okay, now coming to the fourth part, that is name the persons who help us. I hope you all have understood the third part, name the following. If there is any confusion, any problem in this part, you can message me in the comment box and you can ask me your question. Okay, I will answer you. Now coming to the fourth part, that is name the persons who help us. कौन से person हमें कैसे help करते हैं घर बनाने में? Okay, so the first one is, makes the design of a house. घर बनाने से पहले हम घर का डिज़ाइन तैयार करते हैं. तो वो घर का डिज़ाइन कौन तैयार करता है? He is an architect. Now again I am telling you all, children, spelling of architect is ARCHITECT, but while pronouncing you will not pronounce CH as ch, you will pronounce it as k. Okay, architect. Correct pronunciation is architect. You will not pronounce it as architect. Okay, many of you, I have heard that you pronounce it as architect, which is the wrong pronunciation. So correct it. Okay, now coming to the second sentence, makes the walls of a house. घर की दीवारें और छत कौन बनाता है? He is a mason, MASON, mason. Does the woodwork of a house, घर का जो woodwork होता है, लकड़ी का काम होता है, वो कौन करता है? That he is a carpenter, CARPENTER, carpenter. Now the fourth one, fits pipes and basins in a house. आपके पूरे घर में जहाँ पे भी washrooms या kitchen या कहीं पे भी आपका pipes, basins की जो fittings होती हैं वो कौन करता है? Plumbers, PLUMBERS, plumbers. Now coming to the fifth sentence, that is lays wires and fits switches. जो आपके पूरे घर में वायर्स और स्विचेस की फिटिंग्स करता है, दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड एन इलेक्ट्रीशियन, ELECTRICIAN, इलेक्ट्रीशियन. इलेक्ट्रीशियन इज द पर्सन हु हैंडल्स ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी fittings in your houses. Okay, now coming to the last part, that is the sixth part, paints the walls, doors and windows. आपके घर की walls, आपके घर का पेंट, doors का पेंट और windows का पेंट कौन करता है? The person is called a painter. Painter, painter. Now children, I hope you all have understood the last part also. Now with this video children, I will give you the assignment and I will type the questions, but I will not write the answers. In the place of answers there will be dash, okay, there will be blanks and you have to fill those blanks on your own, okay, and this work you will do in your revision copies. Is that clear children? If there is any problem in any part, any revision part, you can ask me through the comment box, okay, I will answer you. And make sure that you complete your work very neatly, nicely, carefully, and get your revision copies also corrected by me. Your copy correction days are from Monday to Saturday. You can come to school from Monday to Saturday anytime, any day, and timings for copy correction is from 10 AM to 1 PM, okay. सुबह 10 बजे से दोपहर के 1 बजे तक आपकी कॉपीज़ चेक हो सकती है, तो आप लोग अपने कॉपीज़ को स्कूल में भेज सकते हैं. इज़ दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ complete your work and learn it also, okay. Your midterm exams will be starting from next month, so you should be all prepared. Now I have to leave children, so complete your work on time and get your copies corrected. Till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.